Welcome to the Are You Cooked series, Episode 1. We will be using the following meter to understand how cooked each country is for this World Cup. So sit back and enjoy. Are the US of A cooked? To find out, we're putting America through the official cook test. We'll look at the manager, the squad, their recent performances, and the path they've been given. Each category gets a rating, and at the end, we'll calculate the final cook score. So, let's see if the hosts are ready for the World Cup, or they're just shit. First up, the coach, Mauricio Pochettino. Now, on paper, this is a fantastic appointment. He's managed Tottenham, PSG, Chelsea, reached a Champions League final, and has a track record of developing young players. That's exactly what the US needs. But here's the problem. Club football and international football are different. At a club, you get months to drill tactics. With a national team, you get a few training sessions, a prayer, and then you're facing France. Pochettino has the pedigree, but we still haven't seen his system consistently click with this group. Coach rating, B. Now the squad. The stars are obvious. Christian Pulisic, the LeBron James of soccer. Weston McKennie, playing everywhere on the pitch. Add players like Tyler Adams, Gio Reyna, and there's definitely talent here. But talent isn't the issue. Consistency is. Pulisic and McKennie haven't looked quite as dominant recently. The defense has been leaking goals, and there's still no guarantee where the goals are coming from. When the pressure ramps up, one player to watch though, Ricardo Pepi. Pepi, if he catches fire during the tournament, he could completely change the conversation. Squad rating, C. Now for the part American fans probably want to skip. The March friendlies, USA RB Wool Belgium, then USA Lingbiar Portugal. That's 7 goals conceded in 2 matches, and it wasn't just the scorelines. The team looked disorganized defensively, struggled in transitions, and got punished every time they made mistakes. Now, to be fair, these were friendlies. Pochettino was experimenting. Players were returning from injuries, and testing things before a World Cup isn't the worst idea. But when your warm-up games end with back-to-back losses like that, fans are going to panic. Match rating, E. Let's look at the group. Paraguay, Australia, Turkey. It's definitely not the group of death, but it's also not a free pass. Paraguay are disciplined. Australia always seem to turn into prime Brazil whenever people doubt them, and Turkey might genuinely be the strongest team in the group. The good news? The USA should have enough quality to get through. The bad news? Nothing about their recent form screams comfortable qualification, and a hammering in the knockouts is calling. Path rating, B-. This give the final cooked rating of, drumroll please, not completely cooked, but definitely a bit shit. They've got a quality manager. They've got good talent, and they've got a decent path to the knockout rounds. But those recent performances have raised some serious questions. My prediction: Turkey finish first. USA finish second. They survive the group stage and then get knocked out in the round of 16. Not a disaster, not a dream run, but a boring run. So, are the United States cooked? Not fully, just a bit cooked and shit. And will I get deported? Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and comment who you want to see next on the Cooked Meter. This is a new channel and I want to do stuff like this with your support. Thank you. Play a sick outro, gang.